So I spent the last 7 days testing blockchain games, claimed welcome bonuses, hunted for promo codes, and then I actually cashed out real money. But here's the thing. What I discovered about how these games actually work is way more interesting than the money itself. And if you stick around, I'm going to show you exactly what happened. Let's go. Okay, real talk. The crypto world gets a lot of hype, right? Everyone's talking about getting rich quick, moonshots, all that stuff. But what actually grabbed my attention wasn't the promise of riches. It was a question that wouldn't leave my head. How does the incentive system actually work when real money is involved? Because here's what I noticed. Traditional apps and websites, they monetize your attention through ads. You're scrolling, watching videos, clicking links, and somewhere an algorithm is converting that behavior into dollars for the platform. But in Web3, it's completely different. It's flipped the script. Instead of you being the product, you're being paid for your attention up front. So I thought, okay, let me test this. Let me actually participate in this experiment. Let me see if the reward systems these projects are building actually deliver. And more importantly, let me understand what I'm really part of when I do. Now, before I did this, I had to ask myself, is this legitimate? Are these projects just trying to pump hype? Or are they building something real? The answer isn't simple. And that's what makes this interesting. Here's what I found. A lot of these blockchain projects are running massive onboarding campaigns. We're talking about welcome gifts, bonus rewards, referral programs, sleek designs, games with real stakes. They're competing hard for your attention. Why? Because they need users. And they need to overcome the biggest barrier to entry, which is that setting up a wallet and understanding crypto is complicated. So they're essentially saying, we'll pay you to learn. That's actually genius when you think about it. It's a direct payment for overcoming friction. But here's where it gets weird, and this is what I want to explore with you. If a project is paying you to show up, who's paying them? Is it sustainable? Is it hype? Or is it a legitimate new model of how the internet actually works? That's what I wanted to find out. So here's what I did. I claimed a welcome bonus with a promo code hunt. Nothing crazy, just a new user onboarding reward. Then I started testing games that actually caught my eye. And let me paint a picture of what I found. These projects, they're good at this. They're using all these engagement mechanics, games, reward systems, referral bonuses, beautiful UX design. It's competitive. Only the projects that nail the onboarding experience and make the rewards feel real are actually going to stick around. The ones that just do it for hype, they disappear. But here's what really got me thinking. And this is where it gets philosophical. In the traditional web, you know what you're doing? You're a passive consumer. You watch, you scroll, you click. Your data gets sold. An ad gets shown. You never see the transaction. In Web3, it's inverted. You're not just a player. You're not just a user. You're a test subject in a massive behavioral economics experiment. And everyone involved, the project, the developers, you, are learning how to design incentives in real time. Think about what's actually happening here. Your like now has economic value. Your share has economic value. Your vote has economic value. Your attention has direct, upfront, measurable value. A project literally pays you to engage. Most people just see the reward and think, cool, free money. But the real literacy, the thing that separates people who understand this space from people who get wrecked, is understanding the mechanics underneath. What are you actually being rewarded for? Is it sustainable? Is this project building something that lasts? Or are they just burning through a marketing budget? That's the game. And that's what I was actually testing.